a million things to do, but I'm here while you're...
What's up and welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. In today's test drive, what about a 1928 Ford Roadster with a Chevrolet 350 in it? And of course, we'll be taking it down the road, pointing out flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. Jump over to maplemotors.com. We have financing and shipping available at that website. And of course, every Monday, I'm gonna put out about 10 to 15 new rides. For now, sit back, relax. It's about that time. Oh, look at this, rumble seat. You wanna sit back there? Let's go for a ride. I mean, you know, you don't have a whole lot of room in here, but you still can place bets on the horn. Do you think the horn works?
I think it works.
Oh yeah, I bet you do. And then the dash here, it's not very much, but you got some aftermarket gauges below. Your window, it does, with some pressure, flip up. I'm not sure, is that a magnet? I think that's a magnet. But you can tighten these up. Still got a very tiny rear view mirror, but you can see back. Tilt column in this one, much needed to get in and out. And it looks like a button on the dash. I'm gonna say that's for the horn too. We've got an upgraded shifter. Very little leg room. Let's go ahead and start it. Heck yeah, starts right up. Engine temperature's working its way up. Oil pressure is also on the way up. Horn, did you place your bets? Let's check turn signals first. I can't tell. I can't tell if they're working. We'll have to look at that during the test drive video. There's no indication in here that is flashing showing turn signals. Horn doesn't work there. What's this? You like that? All right guys, let's hit the road. All right, let's have a safe ride. Coming down with the column here. Try a reverse. It's working. I thought you were gonna ride in the back. Man, there's not much leg room, is there? If you keep it up like this, you're... All right, I'm not sure why that cut off, but we're gonna keep rolling again. Hopefully the camera doesn't cut off on me again. The motor sounds pretty good. We gotta stop and get some gas. I think you put it in the back. It says the first time driving this. This is what it was like back in 1928. Steering on this one is actually pretty tight. I mean, it's pretty straight as an arrow. Got an awesome sounding motor. Getting in those brakes, they feel like manual brakes. They're not stopping anytime soon. You gotta leave yourself a gap between the car in front of you too. That way you don't have to stop too fast. There's also no seatbelts in this one. Getting in those brakes, like I said, I mean, you could stomp on them, probably lock everything up. I'm not gonna do that with that guy behind me. That's why I keep looking up in the camera. But you know, we did forget a tag. It's a little bumpy too. About bounced you over here. All right, let's get some fuel now. Make sure we don't run out. Okay, got about $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride. Check this out. The gas tank is your bumper. This whole thing right here. Okay, there is no gas gauge. I haven't seen one yet. The door, from what I could tell, the door, I think it's fiberglass. I think that is too. That sounds like metal. That's metal, that's metal, that's metal. I think. Yeah. All right. Let's get out of here. Okay, here we go, getting ready to roll out. Let's head on back to the lot now. There we go. Got y'all set up on my head cam. Put the phone down in the seat so I don't have to worry about y'all getting all goofy looking. Me looking all this way. Let's roll. This little bucket. Nobody's behind us either. Getting in the brakes hard. Oh, I killed it. I bet you the gas went to the front of the bowl when I slammed the brakes. A little bit of a hesitation there. Bumpy going down the road. Nice bump here, you hang on. Turned around, head back to the lot. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and share this video. That helped me out quite a bit. What is this guy doing? What are you doing? We're gonna head through Brian's Motorsports. He's always got something down here. Something fun. Customized. That's all he does is customize new and old school cars. He does a lot of Forgiato wheels, lift kits. Check him out, briansmotorsports.com. And again, if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and share. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. Thanks, guys. Okay, picking out the flaws, just got back to the lot here. Let's get started. Coming around this front end. That front bumper there. It's got some chips. You got some cracks right here in your fender, in the paint. Chips right there around the bolts. The grill on this one, decent shape. Little spot there. Chips around the edge of the hood. Chip right there. Chip at the bottom here. Another one there. Stuff looks good. The spot here. Also down in the corner. Scuff here in the back. Little bubble there on that fender. And down the side you got some scratches. There's 3 of them. Cracks in the paint. Scratch right here. Front windshield on this one does come out. It's got a couple magnets on the edges. They kind of wedged them in there. You can see the older glass around those edges. Cracks in the back here. Your back seat, pretty awesome. You got a battery behind it, or in front of it. And of course you can set this down like so, cover it up around the back. Got a scratch here. Got some chips in the corners. Little spot there. A scuff right here in the middle. Chips around those edges. And some right there as well. Also here. Crack in the back. Little chips there. Chips on this side too. Also back here. Spot there in the corner. You got some spots here that have been touched up, some chips. So there. Little chip here. Little bubbles. Bubbles there and there. Touch up mark, chip. Chip there. Crack in the fender here. I showed that right off the bat. Spot there. Middle of that door's got a scratch. It's also in the back here, in the corner. Chip here, cracks up here. And up in that edge. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. You see the seats in great shape. Carpet in this one looks good. Dash also in good shape. You do got some chips though. Gotta catch the door. You don't want it going all the way back. See if I can do this with one hand. Sure can. I'll just straighten all that out, but I'm gonna get it up in the air and I'm gonna put it right back down. I wanted to show back here some cracks, spider webbing in the paint, some over on this side too. See the whole back window is glass too. And then coming back down with it is very easy. Good deal. Let's start it up, listen to the motor in the video. We'll get the hood down too. Coming down with this hood. Hood looks pretty good. Little cracks here. Spot there, coming down the side. Too bad. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, share this video, and hit like. That'll help me out, keep me making these videos for you. Detailed pictures inside, out, and underneath. MapleMotors.com. Financing and shipping is also available there. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later.